Good trading today with favorable price action, one of our biggest days in a while. Biggest day on the year, plus 22,300 in live results on the 250K portfolio, plus 4475 on the 50K portfolio. We are close to an equity peak. We had some automation errors with opening chop. We got out of sync, and so a little bit off on some of that. Would like to be more in line with that, but overall, good results. Up on the week now. We're up on the month and back up on the year. Near our equity peaks. End of day drawdown is about 1644, 16 roughly. Have to get the statement to get the final numbers. And we are where we were on March the 9th. March the 9th, we were $1,600 away from equity peaks. That was a week ago. So there was a nice trend last Thursday, a downtrend. Today there's a nice uptrend. And it was choppy towards the end, but we had some good trades. We'll go over the trades on the day. Seems like there is a resolution, I guess, with all the banking crisis, or at least the market thinks that. And so the ECB raised rates 50 basis points today, which, that's the market is dismissing that the Federal Reserve will do that, but we'll see. It's kind of counterintuitive. You would think that the ECB raising 50 basis points would affect our markets as well. So it's hard to understand why the market does what it does based on the Fed every time. But we trade price mainly. So let's go with that. Go over the trades. Covered 3 up on the day, about 22 points here. Nice trend in the middle of the day, and mirror 2020. Hit the opening gap fill mean reversion trade. Nice trade there, plus 675. Momentum reversal trade of the day on the S&P, capturing the long trade. Tried to reverse here, like the market would reverse. That was okay because we were net long, and so it was good to have some strategies come in and go short and balance it out here. We didn't want to give it all back, and so it was a good trade overall. To take that trade, plus 2287.50 on the day, opening chop. And this is the one where we, for some reason, we had an extra short position, and then we had an extra long position. And so I had to manually fix that, so I don't know why that happened. But opening chop was down today. It was almost profitable. So it was a trend day, and so it didn't chop much. And so we've seen choppy days at the beginning of the day. Back here, days like that where it chops a lot, but today was not choppy. Today was very trendy, and it almost kept. Here's tick chop. Let's go back and minimize this. Tick chop did a little better, minus 362.50 on the day. Had a long trade winner and then a short trade loser, and then turnaround dynamic had one winner, one loser. Got the long trade. Could have just stayed with that long trade all day. And then it tried to catch the short trade. I'm glad some of these strategies tried to short it up here or reverse it. Many times the market will go long all the way into will stay to the trend all the way to the close, especially on the long side. But sometimes it reverses too, and so have it covered a little bit if the market does reverse on tick count trend, dynamic turnaround, and momentum reversal. Those strategies have the opportunity to go short and take some risk off the long side. Viper, plus 2875, just pegged away at the long side. Tick count trend pegged away at the long side, plus 1150. Tick pullback, got in, plus 3860. Covered 3, plus 1375. And then EVP1 got in early as well. Rode it to the close, 3805. Momentum reversal, got long, and then reversed to the short side, stopped out, plus 3915. And then 3740 is tick pulse. And so those are the trades on the day. Tick reversal, we turned this off, and it would have been a profitable trade today to add another almost 4K. Yesterday it did lose 750, but we wanted to minimize our risk in case this chop continued. Yesterday after I made the video, I thought, we're due for this kind of a day, kind of a giveaway right here with this move right here and this move into the close. I thought the market would trade up to 12,500 yesterday. It did not. And so kind of anticipated a move like this today. And so we did get that move. Good trading on the day. Let's look at the market internals. it opened up weak. Yesterday the advanced decline line was weak. It was weak. The Nasdaq just pushed higher anyway, and the advanced decline line reversed to the upside in a strong way, and the ticks pegged away at the highs, was minus 1400 down here yesterday, and then quickly came up here to the plus side, plus 1400. Yesterday it took later in the day to get that. So overall, good trades on the day. Here's where we are. I'll update the portfolio calculator. $1,600 away from equity peaks roughly, where we were a week ago. Kind of a resolution in our trading for all the chop related to the Silicon Valley Bank and regional banks banking crisis that we've had. We have FOMC next week. Want to knock on the door of those. We're knocking on the door of equity peaks, and I thought we might get there today. Just came shy of that. We're so close. I mean, such a big day like this, 22,300. We just needed, I guess, another $1,700 or so to hit equity peaks, and that's pretty. When you're up 22,300, 1,700 doesn't seem very far away. So we'll see. See what happens tomorrow. Tomorrow is Friday, last trading day of the week. We've been due for some good trading markets we have not seen in a while. I almost forgot what a trend looks like, and so could see some more of this tomorrow. Could see some chop, but looking forward to trading the rest of the month as we come in towards the end of the week and move towards the end of the month. Next week we actually have 10 more trading days after tomorrow, so 11 trading days in the month. I'd like to turn this month into a good March like we've seen in the past, and so enduring all the chop, and now we got the trend. So looking forward to tomorrow's trade. These are the trades on the day for Thursday, March the 16th, 2023. Hey, David Bean here. Welcome to Capstone Trading Systems YouTube page. Be sure to subscribe to join our community of algorithmic traders. We are real money traders. We share our winning streaks, we share our losing streaks, as well as market updates, strategies, and coding tips.